I open the bag and there are 10, and I will make 3 12-ounce bottles. This cost me $12.99, so $13 divided 3 ways, so we're a little bit over $4. I will split this in 3 and put a third of that into each of the bottles. This costs $16.99 at Costco for 16 fluid ounces, and this Kirkland brand Costco vodka, I don't know the I didn't convert that, but it will more than take care of that. And this bottle was around $20. I couldn't find the price online, but I've had it for over a year. So, and if you look, vanilla bean extractives in water, and then alcohol 35%. This is 40%. I am not adding water to my recipe. It is literally the beans, and I got to figure out a way to hold the camera while I cut. So you can cut it in half all the way through. Or you can slit it. Just, through this part, but then you will need to separate it. So I'm going to cut it all the way through. Now, I get confused about what's what. These are the actual seeds from the vanilla, and this is what you'll see in real vanilla ice cream. And that is not in most of the ice cream I've been getting. Somewhere bend it. I can cut it all the way through. I don't have to have them joined. So 3, and the extra, the 10th pod. Now you can make it weaker, you can make it stronger. Of course, the more you have in here, the faster you'll get the flavor, and the less, the longer it will take. So normally, the last time I did it, I did 1 vanilla bean pod in a small glass bottle, and I did them for Christmas gifts. So this is going to be a little bit more than 12 ounces. And we're using a lid, not because I'm not canning this. I'm not vacuum sealing or pressure canning. And in 6 weeks, we'll give it a sample. I tried to scrape as much as the seeds, and you can already see that the bottom is already starting to darken. And here we are, just 1 week later. Look at the color difference. Isn't that beautiful? No water. cheap vodka. Always try the vodka or whatever alcohol you're using, because if it has a strong flavor, it's going to compete with the vanilla. So if you want a stronger vanilla flavor, less of the other stuff. It's been almost 7 weeks since I started this, and I'm going to end the video with this. You see how dark it's already gotten? There is no coloring or caramel color or any of such nonsense. This is purely vanilla beans. There's 3.5 in this 12-ounce jar. 3 1/3, excuse me. Vanilla beans that I slid it in half, and vodka. Just plain vodka. This is still at Costco for $13.99, $14 for this 80 proof, 40% alcohol, 1 3/4 liter vodka. And vodka and soju would also work. Just anything that will take on the flavor. This still, to me, has more of the alcohol than vanilla flavor in it. So I'm going to let it age some more before I use it, because I do have a pretty full bottle that I had bought, and I wanted to share. This is an old McCormick's, and if you can see, vanilla bean extractives in water, and alcohol is 41%. This newer pure vanilla extract is again vanilla bean extractives in water, alcohol 35%. So the alcohol is still going to be pretty much 40% in this. And I did order some more vanilla beans because I'm not going to let myself run out. Now, yeah, I'm reusing the lids on this because I'm not worrying about making a seal. And if I make a future one, I may just say how long it took to get even darker. But you do need to put it away out of the light and allow it to just progress. I do notice some pitting on the lids, just the alcohol doing that. So I am going to probably just, and this is simple to do. You can either use a saran wrap, but I like to use a freezer bag, and you just cut out a square or circle, however you want to do it, and just put it there, and then put the lid on top of it, and that plastic will protect, and you don't get any of that coating into your mix. So that's something to look out for. And I went ahead and stocked up and got 2 bottles of this last time I went to Costco, just so that I have it on hand for this. And I bought some orange juice. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Be a blessing and be blessed.